stream. Am I audible? Is it is it audible? I don't know. This is my first stream, so let's see how it goes. I'm not sure if you're able to see this, but I'm just trying to use Hack the Box to do my basic, tests on how good am I, or to learn new tricks and tips. This is the first one, the Meow. I've already completed Meow, and I've also completed this one, Fawn. So if you want, I can show you how to do that. But I need to first know. I'm still learning this live stream, very new. So yeah, let me see from my phone if I can see what's visible. Yeah, I have plans to do more live streams in future. I just want to see if I'm audible or not. Hello? Yeah, not bad. There's a bit of a lag, but it's okay. So what we're gonna do is we'll just quickly I'll go through the first starting point, the Meow. I'll quickly do it, and let's see. So this is how you do it. You have your starting point. You need to connect to the VPN. I've already downloaded it and installed the Open VPN. If you want me to create some content on how to set this up and how to use the Hack the Box, I can do that. You can write it down in the chat or the comments, and I can do that. This is the Open VPN that is connected to Hack the Box. You just need to download and just follow the instructions, and yeah, you will be good to go. So we are already connected. uh, we cancel this, connect a starting point VPN. That's done. Click to spawn the machine. You spawn the machine. So what it's doing is it is just creating a Linux VM. So the first Meow is based on Linux, using a Windows system. So uh, from the terminal, I've installed the Ubuntu terminal as well, so I can have all all the terminals available for me. I've got PowerShell, the command prompt, the Azure Cloud Shell, and the Ubuntu. So I'll show you how to use any of that. If you want me to, create a video on how to install this Ubuntu or the WSL Linux-based uh, terminal in your Windows system, just let me know. I can create a quick one just on the directions on how to do it. I can do that. And if the yeah, so Hack the Box has created your target machine. So what now we have to do is we'll have to break into this machine, copy, and the last bit is to submit the root flag. So the first task was, the first task is, what is the acronym for VM? We know it's a virtual machine. We have answered that. What tool do we use to interact with operating system in order to issue commands via the command line, such as the one to start your VPN connection. It's also known as console or shell. So it's the terminal. This is it. This is the terminal. And what service do we use to form our VPN connection into HTTP labs? So this is the OpenVPN. What is the abbreviated name for the tunnel interface in the output of your VPN boot up sequence output? So it's a TUN. Uh, what tool do we use to test our connection? That's a ping. What is the name of the most common tool for finding open ports on a target? So because it's a Linux environment we're talking about, so that's the nmap. What service do we identify on port 23 TCP during our scans? So that's the telnet. What do we use telnet for? So if you want to check if a particular port in a VM is open, then you use telnet, the IP of the system, and the port for separated by a space. So for example, if you see this particular IP, and if I want to telnet, so what I'll do is I'll go there. Let's first do a ping test. So it's reachable. Control C. Then let's do a telnet is space. So if you remember, 1433 used to be for the MS SQL ports. Well, let's see if it is open or not. It should not be open because we are trying to hack this machine, and I'm sure all other ports would be closed except the one that they are exposing in this, which is telnet, which is port 23. So let's do a 1433 unable to connect to remote host. So that's how you use telnet for testing if a port is open or not. So in our case it is not. We will do a telnet this space and 23. It will my bad. And it is connected. So we have connected. We have closed the connection. We'll connect it again. Let's go back to our task number 8. So what username is able to log into the target over telnet with a blank password? So answer is root. So root is able to log into the target over telnet with a blank password. That's what it says. So let's try to hack into this machine. So let's do that again. Telnet root at what am I doing? Root. So it has logged me in. What do we need now? Submit the root flag. Okay. Submit the root flag. Okay. So let's do an ls. That's your flag. So we'll do a cat flag dot txt, and that is your root flag. B4 ending with 19. Show the answer. B4 ending with 19. All right. So this is done. Meow is done. Let's do Fawn. Let's type it in our subject. Meow and Fawn. Okay, so we are good. Let's do Fawn. Spawn the machine. Stop activities now, right? Click stop the meow. Okay, it stopped. Now let's do the Fawn. Click to spawn the machine. The machine will get spawned. Let's wait till it gets spawned. So connect the machine. What does the three-letter acronym FTP mean? Okay, I'll have to wait for that. FTP, file transfer protocol. So this is not like something is like someone's testing you or something. It's just you can learn all the common terms and terminologies. If you don't know, you can Google, learn about it. That's fine. Learn more about it. So basically, just not just checking your knowledge, but also letting you know what's expected from you. So file transfer protocol. Which port does FTP service listen on? Yeah. SSH is 22. Yeah. What was it? 90? 21. Yeah. Okay. That's all right. So acronym. What is the acronym for FTP? Secure FTP. So it's SFTP. So yeah, secure FTP. Yeah. So 21 is FTP. 22 is SSH. 23 was our telnet. What is the command used for ICP? Echo request test ping. From your scans, what version is FTP running on the target? Okay. So let's do the let's copy. I mean, even there might be chances that I don't know something. So there's always that possibility. Yeah. Okay. So have to be that's the version. Let's see. Yeah, that's the one. From your scans, what OS type is running on this target? So how do we scan it? Can I try root? Okay, that's fine. If we try to do that again, remote system type is Unix. Okay, just Unix, that's fine. What is the command we need to run in order to display the FTP client help menu? So FTP slash, sorry, FTP space hyphen H. What is the username that is used over FTP when you want to log it without having an account? That's anonymous. You would have heard that the the world famous popular anonymous. So yeah, probably that's where it comes from. So what is the response code we get for the FTP message login successful? So we did login successfully, so there should be 230 login successful. So yeah. There are a couple of commands we can use to list the files and directories. What is dir? What is other ls? What is the command used to download the file we found on the FTP server? Okay, to download. Okay, so we got the flag here. Hmm. Okay. The command to download the file. Okay. Get get. Okay. So we've got the flag. Uh, so the flag is here. So let's do a get flag.txt. Okay, downloaded successfully. Now if we do cat flag.txt, no. Okay, so that's your 035, ends with 815. Cool, that is done. So we have completed Fawn as well. So yeah, these two are done before. This is dancing. Come to the okay. And I'm not a pen tester, so I'm not aware of all these. I'm just learning. Let's see what's going on here. Not too many people interested. This was my first live stream. Sure, we will be doing more going forward. Probably we'll do the live stream for dancing and then Redeemer explosion. All these are paid ones, so I cannot do that obviously. Yeah, I'm not gonna pay for any service. Whatever is open source, whatever is free, yeah, I'll do that. But that's all right. I mean, good for today. Let's end the live stream. Cool. Thanks for watching. If you would like me to do more live streams, just write it down in the comments. Yeah, it didn't go as planned. I don't see anyone watching it, but that's all right. There's a starting point for everyone, as the hack the box said. Starting point. Cool. All right. Thanks for watching. Thank you for watching, and take care. Bye bye.